Hey y'all, just wanted to give a quick update on the Street Basher Slash. I was able to do some testing on 3S and 4S. 3S I was able to hit around 50, I think it was 54 miles an hour, and then on 4S it was 63 miles an hour. The two 2S lipos I used for the 4S speedrun were pretty old and they were pretty crappy to begin with, so the voltage sagged really low, and that gave me a much lower speed compared to the 3S. The 3S LiPo I used was the Gen Ace one, which held up a lot more under high load. For my recent testing, I've been using. I tried out this Tattoo R Line 6S LiPo. It's no longer 6S. It's 5S. Let me show you the balance plug. One of the cells died, so I took it out and was able to fix it. A friend of mine gave it to me, told me if you can fix it, you can use it. Very thankful for that. I was able to hit 64 miles an hour before the car decided to become an airplane and take off. So that means I have to add some aero. I was going to add some weights, but I didn't want to add any more current draw to the car, where I'm already nearing the limits of what this ESC can do, and I'm not trying to blow up either. So the front arrow is just a piece of clear acrylic that's been bolted to here and heated up and bent. This is just tape, gaff tape, and I kind of used it to make, I guess, a skirt almost. That's supposed to seal against the ground as the car's running, preventing air from getting underneath and just kicking most of the air over the car. Obviously, with this setup, you can kind of see this is what it looks like from the front. There's going to be a lot of drag. So, obviously, this is not really meant for super high speeds, just yes, medium high speed. I'm just trying to hit 70 miles an hour. Anything more than that is a bonus, so that's just my end goal. I did some suspension tuning, so I got these stiffer springs. I don't know what they actually are. I got them from an RC lot a while back that I bought, and they were a pretty good spring rate. Since the car's heavier, I have to run heavier springs. I'm running 60 weight shock oil in the front, and it's either 50 or 60 in the rear. I forget if I changed that. The rear has some preload spacers just to make it stiffer than the front. Yeah, that's about all I did for suspension. It's been pretty easy. The front has, I think, a little, or no, I think there's no camber on the front, maybe a little bit. Toe, I think it's also 0 degrees toe, and the rear is just whatever comes stock. That's all I did for suspension tuning. Well, actually, I should show you guys the shock holes I use. So it's that one there. And then for the rears, I'm using this shock hole. I'm going to do some more testing with this tomorrow. With this little air dam, I haven't gotten a speed for that yet. I'm hoping that should be enough to get me 270 miles an hour, and then this is going back to its like Street Basher config. Hey guys, just wanted to give a quick update on the Slash. I got all my testing in. Managed to hit 80 miles an hour. At the end of the video, I'll throw in some videos of the speed runs. Pretty surprised that I was managed to hit 80. My original goal was 70, so nice, pleasant surprise. Nothing's changed at all. It's the same motor, same ESC. Gearing is the same. I did have to attach this front bumper. It was there. I crashed the car while bashing, and I broke it. So I gotta install the RPM one again. During that crash, I also broke the front steering block and the caster block, so I picked up some upgrades. I actually got these used off of eBay. Got it for I think it was like $3-4 shipped to my house. Only downside is the hold up. previous owner decided to cut the top off this here. I don't know why you would do that. It's not a big deal. I can just mount it to the bottom hole, and you know the price is great too. And then it came with these Techno hubs, which I took a gamble on this because I didn't know for sure if they were. It was just listed as like a $1 auction, so I bid $3 on that, and then got these. So I'm pretty happy with that. It should give some weight up front too, which should help with the card and just stiffen the whole thing up. Throw the videos of all the speedruns I did, and I'll have some annotations on how fast I went and what batteries I was using. Hey guys, just doing an update on the last part. So I've gotten all the repairs done, but this car's pretty much done. Only thing I want to do is, since I'm making this a street basher, not a speedrun car, I want to change the rear diff fluid to 30K instead of 50K. The front is going to stay at 50 though, which should help with the back end being a little bit more controllable when this all kicks out. Here's what the upgrade parts look like. They look pretty sweet. You can see here that top part got shaved off, so I had to use the bottom hole. Same for this side here too. Hope you guys enjoyed the build. I had a lot of fun making it personally. Just wanted to share with y'all. Thank you to the people who watched even some of the video. I'm glad some of y'all got enjoyment out of it. Again, if you have any questions about how to do something like this yourself, just drop a comment. More than happy to help you out. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good one.